Lewis dot structure for covalent compounds. First begin with a compound element. For example, PF3. Phosphorus has 5 valence electrons, while fluorine has 7. Since there are 3 elements of fluorine, 7 times 3 equals 21. There are 26 valence electrons in total.
Next, set up the dot structure by putting the element with the least electronegativity in the middle. In this case, phosphorus has the least electronegativity.
Now start to sort out the 26 valence electrons. Remember, each element needs to have 8 electrons. To make sure, circle each Each element contains 8 valence electrons. Your structure is correct. Carbon has the least electronegativity, so it goes in the middle, while on its sides is oxygen. Now start filling in the 16 valence electrons. This compound has double bonds, which mean that a pair of electrons will bond together to form one in order for the structure to have 16 electrons. To make sure the structure is correct, circle the element's 8 valence electrons. I hope you found this useful.
Thank you.
The effects of dry ice in water. First, you get the dry ice. Then a jar of water. Some soap and a container of water. Some food coloring, a cloth, and tongs. Next, you get the food coloring and add it to the water. By adding food coloring to the water, it shows an example of a homogeneous mixture. When mixing the two liquids, they are distributing equally amongst each other. Next, we are going to pour soap into the water. This also shows an example of a homogeneous mixture. For safety matters, make sure to use your tongs for the dry ice. We are now going to place the dry ice in the water. The dry ice in the water begins to create a fog-like substance. When placing the dry ice into the water, it shows an example of sublimation. Sublimation is the act of a solid turning into a gas. Now we will be using the cloth to place it inside the water. Carefully, we are going to slide the cloth over the container of water. By doing this, we are sealing the pressure inside the container. Pressure is the amount of force that presses on a certain area. The pressure in the container causes the molecules to collide faster. The more molecules there is, the faster the moving. The more collisions, the more pressure. The collision of the molecules causes the bubble to enlarge. In Boyle's law, as pressure increases, volume decreases. This causes the bubble to pop. Thank you for watching.